Nestled amidst the vibrant landscape of Brasília, Brazil, the modern nature house stands as a testament to innovative design harmonizing with the surrounding environment. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this architectural marvel seamlessly integrates modern aesthetics with the tranquility of nature. The facades of the house are cloaked in a layer of white painted solid bricks, each with varying degrees of openness determined by the spacing between them. This deliberate arrangement not only controls the ingress of sunlight but also grants differing levels of privacy to individual rooms. The interstitial spaces between the bricks facilitate natural cross-ventilation, enhancing the comfort and livability of the interior spaces. The layout of the white bricks house is carefully orchestrated to maximize its connection with the surrounding landscape. Positioned around a central green area and the pool, the main rooms are oriented towards this focal point, creating a harmonious blend of indoor-outdoor living. From the bedrooms to the kitchen, every space opens up to the expansive garden environment, fostering a sense of unity with nature. Every aspect of the modern nature house is curated to enhance the connection between inhabitants and the natural world. Outdoor living spaces, including expansive terraces and a tranquil courtyard, beckon residents to unwind amidst the soothing sounds of nature. A pool serves as a refreshing oasis, inviting residents to embrace an active lifestyle while basking in the tropical climate of Brasília. In a nod to the architectural heritage of Brasília, the elongated size and spaced arrangement of the bricks pay homage to the traditional cabogo, a distinctive element in Brazilian architecture known for its role in promoting ventilation and natural lighting. Through reinterpretation, the white bricks house seamlessly integrates this iconic feature into its design, further enriching its connection to the local architectural lineage. The house transcends mere shelter, embodying the ethos of architectural craftsmanship and innovation. It stands as a testament to the enduring relevance of traditional techniques in contemporary design, offering a glimpse into a world where precision and refinement converge to create spaces of enduring beauty and functionality.